This match will test participants' comprehension of rolling resistance. In this match, participants will be given two types of problems, basic concept and calculation problem and case study problem. Basic concept and calculation problem will test participants' knowledge of rolling resistance. Participants are also asked to calculate the rolling resistance of tires of a cart loaded with gravel sacks which is moving on a track in a certain slope. In case study problem, the participants are given a case related to rolling resistance and asked to answer the questions given. Aim. Participants can comprehend and calculate rolling resistance. Match procedures. 1. Participants enter the match area and will receive a briefing given by the committee and will be given question sheets and answer sheets after the participants have worn PPE, such as safety helmet, gloves, and safety shoes. 2. Participants can start doing the written test and operating the equipment after the committee gives the start signal. But before the participants operate the equipment, participants must do some preparations, such as A. Filling the cart with gravel sacks in accordance to the committee. B. Hooking the wire rope to the load cell installed on the cart. After participants have done the preparations, participants can operate the equipment and start collecting data. Participants can operate the data multiple times, but no additional time will be given. 3. Participants must return the equipment provided to their initial places. 4. Participants must stop doing the written test and operating the equipment after the committee gives the finish signal. 5. Participants are allowed to leave the game area after being allowed by the committee.